Hi, so this is the follow-on how-to video where I showed you around the navigation of the platform. If you didn't see that video, doesn't matter. Feel free to go back and look for it. But what we're going to do here is talk about how I work with the platform, creating music based on old teenage angst poetry. So what you can see here is if I go and select this record, I'm not actually going to show you how to trigger it. I just want to show you my process so far on this one. So you can see here, if you go into the option and go reuse prompt, you can see on the left hand side there's a few things in brackets in the description. There's a slightly different layout of the text, and on the right hand side you can see basically just the text from an old angsty poem I've created. So if you go reuse prompt, you can see what I've done there. I've basically just dropped a whole lot of words into the lyrics folder. I've put in a teenage angst anthem and I've called it Addicted, and you can click on this and play the song. So you can see that's basically getting a feel for the rhythm of the system, how it's putting the song together. It's not going to be the same every time, but it can give you some ideas about how to make changes. So you'll see if I come down to this one and go and reuse the prompt, I've added a few things here. I actually put intro in the wrong place. I've added a verse, chorus, some breaks, more verses, and I've still got the same style. So you'll see we get a different song here.
You are a great miracle cure for the last girl who broke my heart. So it's vital how you always seem to be there, but now I'm over her. I'm growing addicted to you, all my friends know about you. You've messed up my perception.
So you can see there's a bit of a change to the sound of the song. It doesn't just all run together. I came in here and decided to try using a different style to see if that maybe adjusted how the song came out. So you can hear the bounce in there.
You were a great miracle, you for the last one broke my heart.
It was vital how you always seem to be there, but now I'm over there.
So it sounded good, but it wasn't what I liked. I kind of like a bit more grungier version of the song. So you can see I've gone through here and added in this description. This was basically going and looking at a song like She's Only Happy When It Rains by Garbage and trying to see what were the influences on that song. And then in here I've added one odd style, which I find always just gives you quite a lot of different versions as you go through it. Added some trip hop and showcased the bleak lyrics, so I'll go in and show you that there. Also, you may or may not have noticed in here I've put things in brackets. So if you put words in brackets, it will do a couple of things. So it can be your lead singer singing quite a version of those lyrics, so background lyrics, or if you put an exclamation mark or a question mark after them, it'll do it in a different voice. So not quite what I was looking for. I really like being able to hear the lyrics of a song because that's basically where I've put my effort in.
You were the great miracle cure for the last girl who broke my heart. It was vital how you always seem to be there.
So going through these styles, making small adjustments, just little bits in each of the changes as we go along, and then I've got down to these ones here.
Great miracle
And this is the one I've sort of settled on.
Miracle cure for the last girl who broke my heart. It was wild how you always seemed to be there, but now I'm over her. It was wild how you always seemed to be there, but now I'm over her. I've grown addicted to you. All my friends know about you. You messed up my perception. Now I'm falling in the same hole I thought you'd save me from.
So I just wanted to let that play so you could see how the backup lyrics were included there. Now I'll probably keep playing with this song, but I just wanted to show you how you can go from basically quite a simple layout of the song, and the system will generate a song for you with that, through to a much more complexity, some guidance, send it down some specific paths, and realistically that's how you use the creation tool. What I will just jump to is one of the things I saw as a real bump in the last video I made was the ability, to crop a song. So I didn't actually do anything in this environment. So let's do this.
Now I'm falling in the same hole. Addicted to you, addicted to you. I've grown addicted to you, addicted to you. Now I'm over her.
Okay, so I'm going to stop that there. I'm going to crop the song. At that 33 seconds. And
I've grown addicted.
it's interesting. There we go. We select it like that. So you can crop the whole thing. And what it will do is go and create you a new version of the song. So if we kick that off, you'll see it will start from the point where I've cropped it. Once that comes through as a song. So there's a lot of consideration about cropping. Figured I'd just show that since I didn't last time, and you'll see it's got the crop icon.
I've grown addicted to you. All my friends.
Now that's interesting. I don't know if it's coming across, but it's actually quite grainy, what I heard there. So I'll just try triggering that again and see if it wasn't just a one-off.
I've grown addicted to you.
So that is always good to pay attention to, that these are under beta, as far as I understood, and we may want to wait for that to become more useful. So that's how to create a song in the system. If you want to find out about anything else, let me know. I do enjoy making these videos. It does give me something to play with, and you know, hopefully it's giving you some ideas as well. I was trying to delete this, but the delete option doesn't seem available on this crop song, which is quite interesting. Okay, hope that was enjoyable for you all.